Hakar penyo terek menta unailar, Deputy Commissioner jong ke East Castles District ba Peter Asdekar. Ulalik peli ba ya ke Highwell Learning Station. Bat ki kamera class jong ke Women's Social Welfare Organization Secondary School kabaran hakasnong Plangslen. Kasnong kabaran hapo ke Penosla Constituency East Castles District. Yagani project la baitingka da ke company American Tower Circle Head AC East kabaran office hakajala Assam. Hakani jelang ledan langru Block Development Officer jong ke Penosla Community and Rural Development Block ba PS Tensong. Uhe jong ke company bala baitingka yagani project Uchiranjit Medhi ke Block Mission Coordination ikong jedkhar urang ba snong jong ke snong Plangslen ba amnong thau bat kiwe de kire pok mat jong ke kathan. Habakaran ha ke jelang ki he jong ke company ke leto ba hakani ke Highwell Learning Station leng ba ki core computer ki khna kila banwa jing tep halor kimat ki bedai bagi jing pule jungki bar kani ke skol kade ki banikong akani ke jilla ke banyo yakani project lengba kani company.
Here we have put to Highwell Cast. Highwell means hole in the world. There's a computer education program. It's a computer interface with a lot of software and they uploaded, and children from class 5 to class 12 can go through this and immensely benefit from this, because it's an interactive program and fun-based program, teaching students through funs and games. And it will help in spreading the computer literacy among the children.
The presence of ATC at this juncture is very appropriate to see that the school gets all the benefits as far as the learning and teaching is concerned, as far as the classroom is concerned, as far as the need that the school needs from time to time. So from my end, I must also be very grateful to the ATC India for coming forward to assist. And I also understand that it is a big challenge for the organization, ATC, because for many reasons that to have or to come forward and to see that the activity as far as your projects are concerned, it is not that easy for many reasons. But I hope that in the time to come, with the proper understanding, it is also necessary that we give space to such organization like ATC to also come forward and assist the society in any manner it needs.